One advantage of sending the pulses out in a beam is that the direction of the beam automatically gives us the direction of the target. And obviously our beam would not be much use if it always pointed in one direction. We must wave it about so that it covers as much space as possible. This is done by wobbling the mirror with a hydraulic mechanism driven by the port engine, so that its motion looks like this. When slowed up, and like this at its proper speed. This movement of the mirror causes the beam to describe a spiral, which would look like this if it were slowed up. When the beam is on the outside edge of the spiral, it makes an angle of 45 degrees with a line of flight. And if we show the beam running at its proper speed, it looks like this. This process is called scanning.